Grabe ang ginawa ni Stephen Curry. Nag-take over for 3. Bang! At syempre, hindi pa yan papaawat mga idol. Tingnan nyo maya-maya. Tingnan nyo kung saan pupunta si Stephen Curry. Fake. At tumulaksak. Iyon. Good for 2 na naman para kay Stephen Curry. Hindi na maawat ang greatest shooter mga idol. Pinalipad pa yung kalaban. 4-3 na naman. Bagang! O yan o. Sino ba naman makakabantay dyan? Diba? O, lumingon pa. Isa na namang pass and shoot. Wow! Bagang na naman. Stephen Curry nagdi-dribble. Mid-range na naman tayo dyan. Stephen Curry palakad-lakad. Wiggins hinanap si Stephen Curry. Hinanap si Stephen Curry at Klay Thompson ang nakabantay. Yun, may kasama pang foul. Yan si Stephen Curry. Hindi pabigat sa team. Hindi kagaya kay LeBron. Stephen Curry na naman, assist. Assist kay Stephen Curry. Nag 1-2 step. Ayun. May kasama pa sanang foul yun pero hindi pinal ng referee. Klay Thompson tumira. Nakuha ni sino yan? Pinasa kay Steph. Oh, ala ka naman dyan. Luka, saan ka na Luka? Ba't mo siya
Winning it last year. Curry tripped Lively the defense. Lively was right there and Curry.
He doesn't know if he loves it or not, but he does know all these guys are earning their minutes. He said he really appreciates the professionalism, the way that they are all willing to sacrifice minutes.
Gafford will defend. Curry is double. Shot clock at 9. O'Cline to sneak out, and Curry makes him pay with the 2.
Curry, no points in the fourth, just 2 points in the fourth here. This is the time for Curry to kind of take over a little bit.
To make it a 1-point game. Final 2 minutes. Curry and Doncic. For the lead. Doncic will defend Curry. A screen by Green. The switch to Lively. 3. Curry.
Run here. He got the switch that he wanted. He got Lively dancing.